You're close.
I think you're stuck. Hold it.
I got a call from one of my buds saying they were stuck off road in some deep mud. So I loaded up some recovery gear into the Toyota 4Runner. Decided to go see if I could get them out. And boy, was this mud a hot mess to deal with. Once I got there, I laid out my traction boards under the wheels of the Dodge Ram, and then we connected a recovery rope. I did not have a kinetic rope with me. I had ordered it, but it didn't get to my house in time to be used for this. So we just used a regular strap, which is kind of dangerous, but we had not used the strap before. So this was the first time using it. I kind of don't like using these straps, but the next time I'll definitely have kinetic rope on me, so that would make the recovery a lot easier. But once we were able to pull the ram out from where he had kind of dug himself into the mud, he was able to, with momentum, kind of navigate his way out.
Dude, that is.
I wasn't going anywhere. Look at that.
You're close. So now with the Dodge Ram unstuck from the mud, we decided to just keep going up this little path to see what was on the other side. First we had to remove some branches from, in the roadway. We can go over the logs, no problem, but the branches, we just didn't want to risk any damage to the cars. Which ML is this? 350. So this is the V6 engine, right? Yeah. This is a Dodge Ram 1500, I guess. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you have not yet subscribed, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button, click the like button as well. Let me know what you thought of the video, and I'll keep them coming.